Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. And number 7, firecrawl. 835 new stars today. Firecrawl gives your AI agents and data pipelines a single reliable API to turn any website into clean Markdown or structured JSON, handling JavaScript, rendering, proxies, and rate limits so you don't have to. It solves the core problem of feeding LLMs with real-world web content by delivering consistently parsed output that reduces token waste and eliminates brittle custom scrapers. Its combination of search, crawl, and interactive actions, plus a 3.4's P95 latency across millions of pages, makes it a compelling open-source alternative to building and maintaining your own distributed scraping infrastructure. Number 6, LifeOS. 315 new stars today. LifeOS is an open-source AI harness that captures your personal context, goals, preferences, and current state, so any AI agent can help you move toward your ideal outcomes in work and life. Built with TypeScript and Bun, it installs via a single prompt into your existing AI coding environment, turning Claude Code, Cursor, or any capable agent into a personalized assistant that knows you. It replaces paid personal AI services by giving you full control over your data and workflows, and you can start for free by pasting one command into your terminal. Number 5, RuView. 154 new stars today. RuView processes raw Wi-Fi channel state information, CSI, from low-cost ESP32 sensors to infer presence, vital signs, and activity without cameras or wearables, giving developers a privacy-respecting building block for smart environments. It solves the real-world problem of through-wall monitoring for elder care, security, and home automation, where traditional cameras are invasive or impractical. The Rust codebase runs inference locally, exposes 21 semantic entities to Home Assistant and Matter, and demonstrates how commodity hardware can replace expensive proprietary RF sensing systems. Check out the camera-free pose estimation from Wi-Fi CSI. Number 4, paperclip. 198 new stars today. Paperclip gives developers a single dashboard to assign goals, track progress, and enforce budgets across multiple AI agents, solving the chaos of running dozens of Claude Code or Cursor terminals in parallel. Under the hood, it models an org chart with governance and goal alignment, making it a coordination layer rather than just a task list. The open source server and React UI are agent agnostic, so you can plug in any tool that accepts a heartbeat and start managing autonomous work from your phone. Number 3, agent skills. 659 new stars today. AI coding agents are consistently unreliable at producing production-ready code because they lack the structured workflows, quality gates, and implicit checks that senior engineers apply instinctively. This repository packages those engineering instincts into 24 explicit, composable skill files that force agents to follow a strict, define plan, build, verify, review, ship lifecycle, preventing the common failure mode of an agent jumping straight to implementation without proper specification or testing. The architecture is tool agnostic, using a shared command set and a portable CLI that integrates with over 70 different coding agents, which means you can enforce the same high engineering standards regardless of which underlying AI model or editor your team prefers. Number 2, MediaCrawler. 259 new stars today. If you need programmatic access to user-generated content across China's dominant social platforms for research, trend analysis, or content aggregation, this is the most practical open-source toolkit available. It bypasses the need to reverse engineer each platform's proprietary API and encryption by automating real browser sessions with Playwright to capture post data, comments, and creator profiles from 7 major networks. The modular, multi-platform design with built-in login caching, proxy support, and media download capabilities gives you a single, extensible codebase to build on, instead of stitching together fragile, platform-specific scrapers. Number 1, Semantica. 970 new stars today. Modern AI stacks collapse under opaque reasoning and fast-changing context. Semantica gives you a single platform to ingest enterprise data, build verifiable context and knowledge graphs, and run deterministic causal reasoning with full decision provenance. It stands out by being graph native from the ground up, supporting both RDF and LPG storage under W3C standards, so your ontologies, data lineage, and AI audit trails live in one queryable, standards-based system instead of scattered vector stores. If you are building agentic systems for regulated or high-stakes domains, this is a self-hostable, zero lock-in alternative that lets you trace exactly why an agent made a decision 4 months ago.